Welcome to Hobby Gardening. Hope you all will doing well in home gardening. I am saying have a nice and happy day. Today, I am very excited to share with you a very simple but extremely effective method to propagate roses at home. Let's start with me. Do you have cinnamon powder? Today, I will use cinnamon to propagate roses. Put 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder in a clean glass jar. Add zero point 0.5 liters of boiling water. Hot water will help the process of releasing the nutrients of cinnamon into the solution faster. Then stir the solution well so that the cinnamon powder is evenly absorbed in the water. Cover the lid and let it cool about 1 hour. Now we need to choose a healthy rose branch free of pests or damage. After choosing a suitable branch, we proceed to cut off the leaves. This seems small but is very important, helping to reduce the area of water evaporation. I cut the flower branch to about 15 to 20 centimeters, and especially it must have at least 2 to 3 leaf buds. These are the potential locations for germination and root development. Next, pour 500 ml of warm water into a clean cup. You need to add 1 lemon like this. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze all the lemon juice into the prepared cup of water. Lemon juice is mildly acidic, helping to clean the cut and inhibit the growth of bacteria and mold. When diluted in the right proportion, lemon juice helps neutralize the environment around the cut, creating favorable conditions for root development. Lemon contains vitamin C and some trace minerals that can support metabolism in the cuttings, helping the cuttings to be healthier while waiting for the roots to grow. Soak rose branches in lemon juice for 30 minutes. I will not throw away the remaining lemon peel. Cut the lemon peel very small. Lemon peel contains many natural organic acids, especially citric acid and biological enzymes, which help stimulate the cells at the base of the branch to divide strongly, creating favorable conditions for the formation of new roots. Then put the lemon peel in a cup. Add zero point 0.5 liters of warm water to the cup. Let it sit for 30 minutes to release the nutrients into the water. Then take the rose branch out of the lemon juice cup and let it dry naturally. We take the lemon peel solution, stir well, and filter out the lemon peel, keeping the solution. Mix the lemon juice and lemon peel solution together. Then we proceed to filter the cinnamon solution. When cutting rose branches for cuttings, the cut will be a place where bacteria and fungi can easily penetrate. Cinnamon helps inhibit the growth of mold and bacteria that cause root rot, the leading cause of many cuttings dying prematurely. Cinnamon is also known as a natural root stimulant. Cinnamon contains many organic compounds that help promote cell division in the cut, thereby helping the branches to root faster and more. Cinnamon is like a natural armor that protects the cuttings during the most sensitive stage. After filtering the cinnamon powder, mix all the solutions together. Dilute the solution with clean water to get 2 liters of mixture. Next, prepare a portion of toilet paper. Tear the toilet paper into small pieces. Then put it in a clean cup and pour the cinnamon lemon solution into the cup containing the toilet paper. Soak the paper in the solution for 15 minutes before use. I wrapped the stem of the rose branch with toilet paper, then watered it with cinnamon and lemon solution. Next, take the soaked paper in the cup and put it in another small clean cup. Press the paper dry to drain the water. Create a small hole in the middle of the cup to fit the rose branch and put the rose branch wrapped in paper in it. Finally, cover the top of the cuttings lightly. You can use a transparent plastic bag or plastic box to avoid external impact and limit water evaporation. Place the cup in a place with soft light, avoiding direct sunlight. After about 7 to 10 days, you will see new shoots begin to develop and the root system clearly form. And now, I move the plant to a new environment. When the rose branch has strong roots, we can move it to a new pot with a clean coconut fiber substrate. This helps the plant adapt easily and continue to grow strongly. Water regularly to keep moist, but be careful not to overwater as this can cause root rot, one of the reasons why plants grow slowly or rot. So we have completed the process of propagating roses with fresh lemon, cinnamon. This is a method that is both natural, safe, and highly effective. Thank you for following and wish you will soon have beautiful, brilliant rose bushes right in your garden.